Okay, today is the 7th of February, and I've just unregistered from Office for Mailing, and because of these privacy problems that I keep receiving yesterday, I got a fake job interview by the police, I suppose. It has gotten to that point, I suppose. Now I am unregistering from many services because they're just using all these things trying to trap me. I don't even understand that. So yeah, it's a bit sad that this has happened to me. Now I have to register from all these services that have my email address because they're just using this technique. Skynet. They're like Skynet basically. I will not try that. It's not that problem that I am subscribing. And I'm not logging in anymore. I don't know if I logged in. For one more time. Search the person because it might not be a real person. fun. The problem is now I can't even open this because it is the same thing that's happening like last time. Now you see, this is Göteborgs område is really not you see, this is in Kalmar. Tjena. Let's see. Am I gonna call them? Huh? No, I'm just talking to myself. Hej Sara, jag ska bara fråga lite om jobb. Har ni jobb där just nu på ditt företag? Jag skulle vara en bussförare snart, men jag är inte klart med den här utbildningen. Men jag har bara tänkt att ni har utlyst just nu. Okej, men var sitter ni då? Första. Okej. Ja. Nej, det är okej. Jag kan prata med dig. Jag bor faktiskt långt bort från Kalmar. Jag bor i Umeå. Jag är arbetssökande. Jag är inte säker om den här utlist är riktigt eller inte. Jag ska bara fråga det för att ni finns i Kalmar och jag ser ingen utlist i Göteborg. Men ja, det känns lite konstigt, så jag vågar att söka den här jobbet lite för att jag ska inte komma till Kalmar, jag har ingen plan att komma där. Men om ni har faktiskt ett busstjänst på Göteborg eller Umeå, jag vill gärna skicka in min ansökan till dig. Direkt till dig, nej, inte till den här personen som du sa. Är ni intresserad av detta? Men grejen är att jag är inte färdig med bussutbildningen. Men snart kommer jag att vara klart med den när skolan börjar igen. Ja, men grejen är att om ni har ni en riktigt busslinje på Göteborg. Okej. Så det blir jättebra då. Så jag kommer att skicka min ansökan till info@bergvarabuss.se. bergvarabuss.se. Just det. Ja, det känns något konstigt om you speak English. You speak English, right? Alright, so it's been a bit strange week for me happening, and I am looking for a job to really try to fix myself. But now I have to take an extra effort to make sure that the job is real or not. It's a lot of work in my mind. It shouldn't be like this. I am just a simple job seeker, who people are trying to encroaching in my privacy and doing so many things with me. And I'm sorry, you don't know me. I shouldn't be telling you this. It's very weird, but it's getting to the point where I'm going to get like some sort of mental breakdown. So I hope people who are going to do this would kindly stop it, and I hope you tell them that. Because I can simply with 1 second see if it's a real job or not. I can do that. I automatically do that, and it helps everybody if these kind of things stop. And if it is real job, I will apply for it, but I'm sure it's not. So please tell them no, please, it's fine. The thing is, I am not from Sweden. I don't work backwards. I talk directly. I talk in front of people. That's very natural for me, and every type of sneaky way of trying to get me to do something, it doesn't work with me. It's much better like I am talking to you, that people would talk to me exactly like that, No, but it is better instead of email.